All right, I'm going to jump right into this one with this American Wagyu boneless beef short rib slab of meat. So using the Traeger hot sauce as a binder, my all meat rub with rosemary, seasoned heavily on both sides. But I want to do different with this is just roll it up. There's no bones in it, so it's going to be like a pinwheel beef short rib, like brisket cook. So get that meter 2+ probe in there, 225 degrees for about 7 hours because I hit that 180 internal. Got as much bark as I could. Then like I would a brisket, gonna put some beef broth, cover it, put it back on at 275 degrees till that probe tender, which was about 205 internal. Rest it in my meat swaddle for about an hour, and that's it. This was such a mini awesome little pillow of like brisket beef short rib meat. Was insane. I actually put this on sliders once I slice it up nice and thin, but ridiculous flavor, moisture, smoke ring bark, insane.